Title says it all. 8 foods that help your liver bounce back, naturally. I'm counting down with quick proof, and I'll point to the body diagram as we go. 1. Oats. On the diagram, trace the gut to the liver. Beta-glucan fiber steadies blood sugar and LDL, which helps reduce liver fat. Several trials link oats to improved insulin sensitivity. 1. Berries, especially blueberries. Highlight the liver's inflammation zone. Anthocyanins act like shields. Small studies show better liver enzymes and oxidative stress markers. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Draw a drop into the liver. Rich in polyphenols and healthy fats, randomized studies show lower ALT and improved insulin sensitivity in fatty liver. 1. Walnuts. Circle the liver's fat storage area. Omega-3s and arginine support better lipid profiles. Observational data ties walnut intake to healthier liver scores. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Sweep along the blood vessels to the liver. EPA, DHA, reduce triglycerides and liver fat. Meta-analyses show enzyme improvements in NAFLD. 1. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, zoom on detox pathways. Sulforaphane nudges your body's own detox enzymes with evidence of reduced oxidative stress. 1. Green tea, shade the liver green. EGCG has antioxidant effects. Controlled trials show modest drops in liver fat and ALT with standardized extracts. 1. Coffee. Yep, point right at the liver's scar tissue zone. Multiple meta-analyses link 2 to 3 cups a day with lower risks of fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Black or with minimal sugar. Quick habits. Build plates around fiber, color, and healthy fats. Hydrate. Move daily to help the liver offload fat. Remember, food is powerful, not magic. Combine these with sleep, movement, and medical guidance. Your liver works hard. Give it the good stuff. Like and save this for your next grocery run.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.